It is September 30th, and I am staining some of the wood that will be going behind the couch. I'm not able to get an exact match. I think with the polyurethane on it, though, it'll turn a little bit more yellow and should tie in the couch colors. Good afternoon.
Hello.
It is September 30th.
It is.
Yes, can you give me an update?
Getting a couch, bed, whatever it is.
It is what we say it is.
Getting it secured, installed, whatever it is, put together, contrived.
So what he's failing to mention is most of this is garbage. When we walk the dog, a lot of times we find things that are out on the curb. So the whole bed frame is 2 bed frames that we found on the curb. They were 2 or 3. And
I've cut it apart and then bolted it back together, so it's long enough to span the whole length, because it's longer than a regular size bed. And we've taken a twin sized fold out bed support and put in between. So hopefully we'll get some cushions on it here in a few minutes and see if it actually will hold some weight.
and if we fall through the bottom of the camper.
Then I've got to figure out some more bracing or something. Because the whole idea is to have a piano hinge that flanked along this edge here. I don't know if I'm going to be able to drill into all the metal and put the piano hinge in. It is going to open up, and then you can slide this bed frame underneath. So whenever this folds out, you have your queen size bed, a full queen size bed, and then you can fold this away, put it underneath, and then still have a twin bed that also doubles as a couch or a lounge or
because that's where the dining table will be. And you know how a camper is. Everything is multi-use. So this whole front area will fill in a lot of spaces for us, I think.
So we can do this right now. Hopefully.
So that's part of the back of our couch. And then you've got the armrest over there and the cushion.
So that will go like that. This will go like this. This will go here.
To make the sides of our couch. How cool is that going to be?
Let's
get the other piece and see how.
Get the other piece in. Let's get some of the cushions in place. See where all of this needs to go, because I'm still not sure that height yet.
Okay.
And then we can make sure that this bed fits here. Try the whole thing out.
Well, let me turn off my camera and we'll go get that, and then we can see how it all looks.
Yes.
Okay, so we've got the couch kind of set up in place now. Oh, you're making it all pretty. So have a seat. Let's see if it falls off the wall.
I want to.
Are you scared? Don't be scared.
Let me move this just in case.
Don't you have faith in your construction skills?
Of course not.
Well, what do you think?
Nothing yet.
doesn't look like it. Well, maybe that's just the cushion. I don't think the actual supports are moving. That's good.
All right, come over here and test it out with me.
Okay. I'm laying on the couch. I've got my little cameras and my map and my jungle behind me. And Corey just set up the bed. It feels like it moves, but I don't know if that's just
like
the
a quarter of it.
kitchen. Yeah, is that Lupa's house? Are you trying out our new couch? It's getting there. This is gonna be awfully cool. Lupa's camper. These come off and they'll be in between the two mattresses. You know, whatever your build is here.
Right.
And these back here also get used to make the
Maybe a quarter of an inch, half an inch.
Mm-hmm.
But that should be
Pretty close,
pretty
yeah.
close. Shouldn't
Well,
be a problem sleeping. You don't want to have a metal rail that.
no, you don't want a rail in your back. And you still have a little bit of space between that and the countertop because you're going to have something here.
7 inches there, or put it all the way this way if you want to space that way, right in the middle.
Nice, 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 nice. I think
That's only 4 inches.
yeah, I don't think that's bad at all. Oh, not exactly a king bed, but
No.
you remember the king bed?
Yeah.
It's pretty close, though. I mean, with the length of it.
It is. So where's the other cushions for this?
They are behind me. They're part of the couch. I can help set that up if you would like.
No, that's okay. My main thing is that I wanted to make sure that this rail wasn't sticking up and out. So I think that's
pretty good.
really good.
I think you did a real good job. And it's nice because when we were first planning this, we were going to have to put additional feet and lift the bed up because you were going to put this higher.
I was just trying not to have so much
Stuff.
to do.
I like it. I like it a lot.
Okay, so
Okay. Yeah, hey, hang on. I know my reflexes aren't fast enough for you, but I'm old. You forget I'm 55.
what?
I know. I'm a senior citizen, man. You have no patience for me.
Is to have a tray under here
That it slides
that
on.
it slides into.
I like that
way we still
idea.
have
Floor space.
floor space because we still
Storage.
need to have storage access for the.
What do you think, Lulu? Always an adventure?
Always.
If you've enjoyed following along on our journey, the planned stops and the unexpected detours, we'd love for you to join us for our further explorations. Hit that subscribe button below and become part of the When Nerds Learn to Fly crew. We've got more adventures in store and we can't wait to share them with you. Thanks for exploring with us. Until next time.